Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fix this magnetic button. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. So we have different types of magnetic button, but this is the pattern I've been working with for this video. So go ahead to just do what I'm doing. If you are using this exact magnetic button I'm using in this video, this is how you're going to lap it before attaching it to your beaded bag. Since we have it secured now it's time to attach it to our beaded bag. So I made a flap for this bag. If you would love me to share the tutorial, let me know in the comment section. So I went ahead to locate the middle point of my bag and I count from the third bead downward. Then go ahead to pick up your magnetic button. Now you're going to pass your fishing line through those, or you can see just as I'm doing it. Just watch the video carefully. Pass your right fishing line through the right hole and your left fishing line through the left hole. There's a little hole there so your fishing line can pull through. So now you're just going to go ahead to drag and you're going to pass your fishing line through the second bead from upward. You know we went to the third bead downward. Now you're going to go back to the second bead upward and pass your fishing line through that bead, like you're going to crisscross your fishing line through that bead just as I'm doing. Please watch the video carefully. So after doing this, we are going to ensure you are dragging. Now your magnetic button is well secured to your cover, which is your flap. Now you're going to take the right fishing line, pass it through the right bead downwards, and the left fishing line, pass it through the left bead downward, just like so. Now you're going to take your both fishing line and crisscross that same bead you passed your fishing line through at the beginning, just like this, just to secure our bag firmly. And now we're also going to do that with the other fishing line. Go ahead to crisscross through that same bead, and with that we have our fishing line secured and tight. So now you can just go ahead to pass your fishing line through your beads to secure your work, then go ahead to cut. And with that, this is what we have. Our magnetic button is well secured. So let's do this one more time. I'm going to show you how to fix the other one to the body of the bag. So let's go ahead to do that. So for the body of the bag as well, we're just going to ensure we check and we can actually do a test run before attaching our magnetic button to our bag. What I usually do is I count the same number of beads I counted for the flap or the cover. Then I'm also going to locate the middle point just like I did for the flap. So now I'm trying to count the number of beads I use for the cover as well to get my middle point for the body of my bag. So I count 1 2 3 downwards. So I pass my fishing line to the third bead. Now go ahead to grab your magnetic button and pass your fishing line through those holes just as we've done previously. The right fishing line will go through the right hole and the left fishing line will go through the left hole as well. Then go ahead to drag your work. Now you're going to pass your fishing line, you're going to crisscross your fishing line through the second bead upward just as we've done previously. Just like so. Exactly. So ensure you are dragging your fishing line to secure your magnetic button. Now your right fishing line. Then I just went ahead to test it to see if my magnetic button is well placed, and it was actually well placed. It was okay. So now it's time to secure my magnetic button to my bag. I went ahead to pass my right fishing line through the right bead, and also the left fishing line will go through the left bead. Just like so. And now your fishing line will go through the next bead downwards as well. We're going to crisscross it through that bead we passed our fishing line through at the beginning. I hope this video gives more clarity. Just watch the video carefully to understand how to fix your own magnetic button. I want to say a big thank you to everyone that has been watching my videos, subscribing, liking. Please don't forget to keep sharing, drop your comments. I'm reading your comments. I want to say a big thank you. I'm so grateful to have you all in this space. So let's go back to our video. So now you can just go ahead to pass your fishing line through your beaded bag, and with that we've attached our magnetic button. I hope this video was helpful, guys. I will see you in my next one. Please don't forget to leave your comment down in the comment section, subscribe and share this video. Okay guys, bye.